There's Blizzard in the water. Not too sure about it yet. This is Rosie's watering hole downtown. What do you think, Blizzard? Look at that fluff of a tail. Blizzard! Where you going? She's not even attached to me. Come here. Oops. He's trying to crawl up here, but he can't. Can you do it? Just go back in the water, buddy. You can swim around. You can do it. He's hanging in here. There you go. There you go. Can you do it? Let's see if I can help him. Can you do it? Come on. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Good boy. Want to try again? Rosie's coming in. Blizzard's watching. He really wants to play. He's just afraid of the water. I'm proud that he's getting in that far though. Attaboy. Look at him. He's actually getting in the water. That's a plus. He wants to play so bad. Play now. I'm getting excited. Alright, come on, drop it. He so wants to play. Did you get tangled again, buddy? But Blizzard, she's over there. He's watching her. She's being snobby, selfish with her ball. He doesn't care. He's watching her. She's being snobby, selfish with her ball. He doesn't care. Easy. Where's Rosie? Sure. Over here. He's doing super duper again. She always does super duper. Rose, come. Blizzard, get over here. Come on. There you go. Good boy. There she goes. Gotta get ready to get her. Blizzard, where is she? Where is she, Blizzard? She's coming on the other side. I'm waiting for him to jump. That's the rock he's been jumping off of. He's trying to be Spider-Man.